For a long time now, our research work has been dealing with the question, how can the internet and the IT technologies be used to advance learning processes? In the early days of digitalization, very high hopes were attached to e-learning, but it didn't really take off in practice. MOOCs, massive open online courses, have changed that significantly. So we have developed our OpenHPI platform, and it has proved extremely popular among many thousands of learners who are using it.
Actually, with OpenHPI, we are addressing a broad public. We have courses from big data to design thinking. You can start from scratch. You don't need any prerequisites, and all courses are for free.
In connection with MOOCs, masses of data are generated. Valuable data which shows how learners use the content on offer.
If you go to a classical classroom, you would immediately see how is the mood, do they enjoy the class, do they maybe lag behind. If we do digital learning, everything is a black box. So we can use learning analytics to bring light into this black box, understand what the learners do, and improve the learning outcome and the learning experience.
A very important current development in the field of artificial intelligence is the question of whether content can be automatically extracted from videos and learning materials.
Woman sitting on a couch reading a magazine.
These deep learning methods are a quite new and very exciting field in research.
We actually try to model the brain, and we don't really know how it works, the brain, and we also don't know how deep learning really works, so the theory behind it is not completely understood yet. With our research, we try to find out how it's working. In the end, maybe we can also know how the brain is working.
When speaking about digital education, we have to talk about schools. In a current project with the Federal Ministry of Education and Research, we want to make a cloud infrastructure available that may be used by all pupils and teachers in Germany.
In our schools, digital transformation already takes place, but our schools are not so well prepared. We want to facilitate digital learning in schools and make a lot of different learning material accessible for pupils whenever they need them and wherever they need them.
The digital change our society is currently facing implies that people know what is happening. Our responsibility as computer scientists is to help provide this knowledge so that society as a whole will be able to advance.